Greetings once again. I'm Rich Stenyo. I want to do this broadcast in my language. Once again, I'm speaking from Volta region, Ghana, in Western Togoland. Yeah, Medo Benani. I'm a Calafini, Messan to TBC, Bola. Melanu Ponem Be TBC, Nanu de la G, TBC community. Nuna Merology. Gbame de ma bia be enya meke wa TBC a meke course so over me da pe ni Chris Kringle de be do nyu ike wa leta agbagba ike oje he he nu nyu ya ko be TBC a ono yo be is abundant based cryptocurrency nka na ole yo ni ma efia be enye cryptocurrency de emoji gade ike myself ebe to de me gbo se gbo anan mabo ni hihie ma wu ta ya ta o be abundant based cryptocurrency mere ko mi se ma ebe to onu ma bo ano jijideji la gbososo me ele la gbososo me amisia ma va bazan togbe wa va bazan na no do le wa kun TBC ere do we kun do le wa daran bere ne me ka se mo ta do plani do do kun le wa mo kin ko wa we de ke ma tore mo ta amisia me va bazan ya ta mi be abundant based cryptocurrency make I this cryptocurrency TBC make I ko cover no ngbele de le okay I make a cryptocurrency ki very no kata fe mele nya lo mele po amero le do me die nu no le na de wa he amere se ka ko de ho ka nyu wo to re wọ́n ti gbé ní ogbólé la mẹ́mí kọ́ ìyá àtọ̀kọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ wọn kìmílà ó tọ́ àti ẹyin alábẹ́nà pọ́ àmẹ́mí tọ́ alábàlẹ̀ yìí wọ́n náà yóò tọ́ aba hà sílẹ̀ yóò tọ́ sí aba nábẹ́ àmọ́ aba tọ́ kọ́rẹ́ yà bò ń gbọ́ tànú nyí wà láwọ́ fífẹ́ làwọn èmi náà owó la ẹ̀yà tà àmẹ́ ìkéhe TBC ẹ̀ ẹ̀yẹ àmẹ́ kéhe wà TBC ẹ̀ hẹ́hẹ́ ẹ̀ kírèt náà ẹ̀ ń kọ́ ẹ̀yẹ Chris Kringle tàní ẹ̀dọ́ àfihàn gbẹ̀ náà bí àmẹ́ ẹ̀kọ́ ẹ̀fẹ́ la àmẹ́ ẹ̀yà tà bẹ̀ Kringle coin Chris Kringle ata o the Kringle coin that Chris Kringle de enya creator or wa TBC wa TBC nkume meji o esi ai ko ni ipera opo audio ndo nkume ne because amoa wa ba attacking but so nu nwi ekele ne meka eji o because ne eba do te fere tutula meka gbo bang igba wa de ga bang o if it comes to a point you will not go to bank to deposit your money over there. That is why they will not allow this cryptocurrency or they will not allow this TBC or the creator of this TBC to be alive. They will attack him. That's why you have to hide until the mission come true. What attack you? O man lori wa vamo. O man lori ji o. E ya bena ne o ba do ji bank ADB commercial bank obi to wa po o na ye ba mo yo ba le nu for ta ko de TBC me fifiere wa ka te ma ba igba o ma ka te ma de ga bank ori o ma ka te ma savings ori ta ele be ni wu amie alo le be ni ti amie yu me ni yu ma wi o kra jela ele be ni wu abe ebe do afa ni gbele ni me ka te wa do iju ta enya cheja ele be ni be ele be nkume ni wala gbo. You see, that is why the creator of this TBC is hiding for now. But one day, you will come to know it. Because this dream will come true. Yes, by the grace of God. You see, I know I have my brother in the mountain coming. Please, you do yala. Backwards never, forward ever. nous que cover une TBC kenye mavo benula meka jo no benare li mavo ma se motala meka be enye nde ko le mi apete ni de tratare ye yi le gbo me he we va le bublo bank ko me de won to be ga he ko da mita la camera ya bula me ko o le mi pele le mi dora brochi me bank ko mo me bi mi le mesa TBC we be o maka bank ko mo wa na pe me wa donda brochi wa appelez-vous wa order nous va tout comme quoi non alors te faire ça les autres you can make your payment anywhere you are going you can make your payment if you have TBC on your wallet you no go to bank you never go to bank you be at home you will be buying items you will buy a car you will buy everything that you like you can order you can give money to people without going to the banking hall so what are you waiting for jagba na va get a TBC no ela bena ehe vovore tagbi cover be mama kind of film yes because this TBC brought some freedom for you to be not going to sit at the banking hall waiting on your own money that you put there. Yes, this is the liberty to the TBC community. It's the freedom to TBC community that everywhere you are now you can make your payment. The parents are here la watin wo fefe. Watin wa nusia nuke feji. Le TBC ni mo na encourage watin ko phone le ta gbe ko. A he fe ko gbo phone e ko da ran. No problem. Yakede e pon no gomo sesere ele se senemi meten le gomo senyiro. Kakere mi gbo mese gbe bitu uche jagba kuna gere me kuna we da ran gbo. Jagba kuna fele diere da ran ko. Ne ga wole he emese we he do tutu he semede. Won to wa ka bi adipe ka keme dibe godo de ade ne na siwe. TBC e ya ko kala GG fifie e ko le je nye cryptocurrency de ba. Fifie ko le bonus na. Christmas season ko le bonus na. Ba fele. O se ba fele. We hare o mele Chris Kringle pokolo nku wo ka kele nunu wa na we. You are not looking at Chris Kringle by face. You can't see him, but he's doing a good thing for you. Then what are you waiting for? His face is hiding, but he's able to be giving you, to be dashing you the money. Yes, that's a real good person. Because some of the people, if they are doing good things, they want you to be looking into their faces. And you know that, yes, I'm the one doing this good for you. Praise me. But Chris Kringle is not like that. And then the entire admin, they are not like that. They can do a good thing for you without looking at them, without looking into their faces. But one day you will see them. Yes. Ni na fa ide no na va get TBC me. Me de pupu na we. Nche dis nu me do ya la. Me le nu po ni kele jojo le hito tro le TBC on va ni ko ho nya gbolo ko wa we. Nya gbolo be mi awale ko wa we. Nya gbolo be le ko wa we. Be se gbolo to tro yi ko be. Ni le foro la ba po be se gbolo le to tro yi ko ba. No me. Ndi keke le hito tro me va on ho le sigbe ko la. Akpo be no me nya nu nyu. Ka ke fi fala la be se agbela to tro ba. Ni de se re pe be nu nyu. E nu se to tro de se re ke ha bala. O we kle su be ni nyin we be ngogbe dede. Akpo be ngogbe dede na nu se anu ke hiwa kpo bobo. E chane he transfer TBC ke na vi. Ele be na gbore email we me. Na ba confirm le email we me. Ka ke fi me ga le si gbore nya na le wo be phone ji ko ebo. Formally, if you transfer the TBC, you have to go back to your email and confirm at your email before that TBC will go to your friend, the buyer's wallet. But now it wasn't like that. Because TBC, the admin is always planning a good thing, how you can use TBC faster, how you can use it any place you are. So, and I think there is advancing, going on, good changes coming into the community. So, I thank the admin and their entire planning committee of TBC. TBC enye nunu de me die mi gere me akpe nusia no ke wa le la don ko jibe TBC Chris Kringle ẹ wà lá àpẹ.